Cleansing the kidneys is essential for revitalizing our bodies. The kidneys, two fist-sized organs located on either side of the spine, play a crucial role in filtering waste from the blood. Each kidney contains millions of nephrons, which are tiny blood filtering units. Blood passes through the nephrons, where it is filtered before waste is excreted in urine. This process occurs continuously, with over 200 quarts of blood filtered daily. If blood flow to the kidneys is restricted, their function can deteriorate, leading to serious issues. However, even with only 15% of kidney function, symptoms may not be noticeable. A proper diet and nutrition are key to maintaining kidney health. In this piece, we'll explore how certain foods can help cleanse the kidneys and support their functions. How to know your kidney requires cleansing. The truth is that most people tend to forget about kidney care. The liver tends to get more attention than the kidneys in that regard, even though it is just as important. Kidneys are essential for total body detoxification and purification. If they underperform, the body gradually suffers in the long term, as kidneys tend not to show early symptoms of the problem. Kidney infection symptoms are often vague and can be mistaken for other illnesses. However, certain signs may indicate the need for a kidney cleanse, especially for those with kidney issues. While healthy individuals may not need frequent cleanses, it's still important to consider one if you experience symptoms like high blood pressure, muscle cramps, shortness of breath, chest pain, loss of appetite, chronic fatigue, or trouble sleeping. Monitoring your overall health is key to knowing when a kidney cleanse might be necessary. Persistent symptoms suggest it's time to focus on your kidney health. Foods that cleanse the kidney. 1. Celery. Celery is rich in minerals and antioxidants, making it beneficial for kidney health. Its antioxidants help neutralize harmful toxins and free radicals in the blood, easing blood filtration and reducing kidney strain. Celery also protects against urinary tract infections and helps lower blood pressure, blood sugar, and blood lipids. Additional benefits include anti-inflammatory properties, improved digestion, and liver protection. 2. Cucumber. Cucumbers are vegetables that have significant water content and some kidney-boosting properties. They are one of the notable foods that cleanse the kidneys. They prevent the gradual accumulation and settling of uric acid crystals in the kidneys, which limits the chances of chronic kidney diseases like kidney stones. Cucumbers are relatively high in silicon and function as a diuretic that helps the kidney clear out toxins. Other health benefits of cucumber include high nutritional capacity, aids in hydration and weight loss, contains high amounts of antioxidants, and limits blood sugar. 3. Onions and garlic. Onions and garlic, both from the allium family, offer numerous health benefits. Rich in quercetin, they protect kidney cells and nephrons from damage and have anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling. These powerful foods also improve cardiovascular health, fight free radicals, increase bone density, lower blood sugar, and help prevent various cancers. 4. Beets. Beets contain high levels of antioxidants, which can fight off toxic substances from the bloodstream. This prevents damage to the filtration cells of the kidney and helps limit the buildup of calcium and other minerals in the kidneys. The buildup of crystals and minerals in kidney cells is the fundamental cause of kidney stone formation. Beets can be taken in juice form or eaten as whole beets. They can be eaten raw and can be put in salads or smoothies for easy consumption. Beetroots are also excellent sources of fiber, folates, vitamin C, and manganese. They improve blood flow, foster exercise performance, and lower blood pressure.